Welcome back, everyone. In today's tutorial, we're diving into one of the most powerful and practical formulas in Smartsheet, index match. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to pull information from your data, not just within the same sheet, but even from another sheet altogether. Whether you're tracking project managers, organizing assignments, or just want to up your Smartsheet game, this skill will save you time and headaches. So let's jump right in. Imagine we have a list of project managers and their assigned project names. Folks like Bob Smith, Carol Lee, David King, Alice Wong, and Emma Cruz. Each is managing various implementations, implementation A, B, C, or D. The challenge, you want to quickly find which project someone's managing just by referencing their name. Here, how you do it with index match. First, begin in your sheet with your list of project managers like Bob Smith or Carol Lee sitting in one column. Beside that, you've got the project name for each person. Now pick the cell next to Bob Smith where you want to display his project. In this cell, we'll use the formula equals index, open parenthesis, then your range of project names, comma, this tells Smartsheet where you want to pull the answer from. Then match, open parenthesis, the project manager at this row, comma, your range of project managers, comma, 0. Close it up with a parenthesis at the end. So it looks like this. Equals index project name 1, project name 10, match project manager at row, project manager 1, project manager 10, 0. What we're doing here is telling Smartsheet, hey, go into that project name column and match up the project manager's name at this exact row with the list of project managers. Then pull the right project name. The 0 in match ensures you only get an exact match, so no mistakes if someone's name is similar to another. Once you've got that formula in for the first project manager, Bob Smith, you don't have to write it out again for everyone else. Just click on the corner of the cell and drag it down the column. Smartsheet automatically updates the formula for each row, matching everyone with their specific project. This is super handy, especially when your list grows longer, no more copying and pasting, and no risk of errors if you add new entries. Now let's take it a step further. What if your data is in a completely different sheet? Maybe you have one master sheet for all your projects, and you want to bring in those project names to another working sheet. The magic of index match works across sheets, too. In your destination sheet, click on the cell where you want the project name to appear. Start typing your formula. Equals index, but this time instead of a simple column range, you use curly braces and pick from the drop-down menu, choose reference another sheet. Let's say your other sheet is called demo sheet. For the project name range, select the column in the demo sheet where your project names live, for example, demo sheet range 1. Next, you'll still use match like before, but the range of managers will come from the demo sheet 2, demo sheet range 2. It ends up looking something like equals index, demo sheet range 1, match project manager at row, demo sheet range 2, 0. It's important to use those curly braces for cross-sheet references, because that tells Smartsheet to look outside your current sheet. The structure is the same. The formula finds the manager's name at your current row, looks for it in your external manager list, and then retrieves the correct project name for you. When you're happy with the formula, right-click the cell and select Convert to Column Formula. This neat feature applies the formula to the entire column, so anytime you add a new project manager's name, Smartsheet does all the matching and returning automatically. It's like having a super smart assistant keeping your data in sync, no matter how it changes. And that's all there is to it. With index match, you're not just saving time, you're building in accuracy for all your reporting and dashboards. If you got value from this walkthrough, don't forget to hit like, drop any questions in the comments, and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Smartsheet tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.